Nigerian army officer drags federal government to court over detention concerning the alleged coup plots. A Nigerian army officer, Colonel Mohammed Hassan Maji, has dragged the federal government before the Federal High Court in Abuja, challenging its prolonged detention since September 2025. The suit filed under the Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure Rules of 2009 seeks its immediate release and 500 million naira in damages for alleged violation of its fundamental human rights. Listed as defendants in the case are the Attorney General of the Federation, the Chief of Army Staff, the Nigerian Army, and the Chief of Defense Intelligence. The officer is questioning the legality of his continued detention without being brought before a court. Through his counsel, Olalekan Ojo SAN, Maji argued that his detention for over 6 months without trial contravenes his constitutional rights to personal liberty and human dignity. The question is that, irrespective of anything, I don't even understand why the government itself will be violating the law. If there's anything he has done, follow due process and deal with him decisively and accordingly. But no, if this person now comes out now, you are now saying, you are going to be saying, oh, the kind of offense he committed. The kind of offense he committed, does he not have a process of going through it legally? Wow. Does he not have? Court documents revealed that the officer was arrested on or about September 30, 2025 alongside others over allegations of plotting to overthrow the government. Since then, he has reportedly been held in a military facility in Abuja. Maji further alleged that he has been denied access to his family and legal representatives and has not received adequate medical care while in custody. He maintained that authorities have failed to arraign him within the legally stipulated framework or time frame. Despite claims that investigations have been conducted, he anchored his claims on provisions of the 1999 Constitution and the African Charter of Human and People's Rights. So why can't they do the needful? That's the problem. That is the problem. And some people now come and be talking nonsense. They say they've concluded the investigation. According to the stipulated time where they're supposed to keep him there, is over. Pity and emotions have eroded the military positions in Nigeria. Someone say, what of Peter Obi? As how? Same thing they are doing to the younger ones in the military when commanding. So you must feel it to bad people in the name of leaders. Nigerians' will of adjudication and trial grinds slowly, but it will definitely arrive at its definition. That is why it is better not to find oneself on the wrong side of the law, particularly in Nigeria. See how many years it took to finally nail Ekperima Nnamdi Kanu. You are relying on the constitution you want to suspend if your coup were to be successful. That is not the issue. Has it been proven or has alleged? It is a pity you spent your hard-earned money on this journey. How could you take court owners to court? So because of that, people will just keep quiet. No, you can't keep quiet. You cannot keep quiet. The needful must be done exactly accordingly. So because it's somebody good thief now, you know, will get access to lawyer. Is that what you are saying? No,